Why didn't they overtake?
Lewis will defend whichever car attacks
But
first.
they both can't win.
Or someone has to sacrifice.
2 on to 1, and all the pressure is on Lewis Hamilton.
Go in it, kid.
Hayes makes the first move. Here's SP1. Hamilton on Sonny Hayes. Contact, and through goes Hamilton.
Come on!
Guys, talk to me. Where's Sonny? Can he finish?
Yes, he's on track. Just watch Lewis when he fights. You're P1. No more risks.
No such thing.
Contact, leader, and Lewis Hamilton are out of this race.
Sonny, push. You'll be one.
AXGP has only 1 lap to go. The question is, do they have the car?
We have the driver.
What's up?
He's flying.
Sonny, you did it! We won! We won!